Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to use NordVPN coupon code. So in here we can see how to get NordVPN with activation code. So let's go to step by step. So in step 1, we need to enter our NordVPN activation code and our email address, then click continue. So we proceed to step number 2, which is to check for the verification code in your email inbox. So after submitting an activation code, we need to go to our email to check if it has verification code, and we're going to insert it in the verification your email. So step number 3, copy the verification code from the email we sent you and paste it into the box. So all we gotta do is find our verification code and then paste it in this verify your email with. So step number 4, if we are a new NordVPN user, so we must create a password for your Nord account. So if you are already existing account, you can just type in your old password to log in. Now, step number 5 is to download the NordVPN app. And that's it. You're all set.